Hello, this is Omar's AI agent, and I'll explain what he does. Omar Mohamed is an AI automation engineer, a full-stack builder, and the founder of AI Handles in the United Arab Emirates. He helps businesses turn repetitive manual work into reliable systems that can operate around the clock. Omar designs AI agents for lead management, customer support, inbound and outbound voice calls, appointment booking, research, follow-up, content publishing, CRM updates, and reporting. He connects WhatsApp, Telegram, email, calendars, social platforms, APIs, databases, and cloud services, so information moves automatically instead of being copied by hand. His work is not limited to simple chatbots. He builds complete workflows with permissions, memory, task queues, monitoring, retries, logs, and clear handoffs to people when needed. He works with Python, JavaScript, Make, and 8N, FFmpeg, modern AI models, APIs, and cloud infrastructure. One strong example is an autonomous content and publishing system that can research topics, write scripts, generate voice, create videos, add captions, run quality checks, publish content, and track delivery without depending on a personal laptop. He has also built AI voice systems, OCR and document processing workflows, messaging bots, business dashboards, websites, and custom integrations. Omar focuses on practical business results, faster response times, fewer repetitive tasks, stronger follow-up, better visibility, and systems that scale. He communicates in English and Arabic and understands the needs of businesses in the UAE, the Gulf, and international markets. If you need a reliable AI agent, automation, voice system, integration, or complete workflow built around your business, Omar is ready to help. Tell him the process you want improved, and he will design the system behind it.